Good morning students, and this is your GK class. We have already completed the whole portion and now we are going to revise the questions. Here are some examples, and wait, this is your revision sheet and you have to give two examples of whichever things is asked. Two examples. Suppose tree, then banyan, neem, people, any two trees you can give examination examples. Suppose fruit, mango, banana. So like that only. Here is the example of monument in Delhi, and there are many monuments in Delhi. You have to give how many examples? 2. Red Fort is in Delhi. Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Rajghat is in Delhi. Lotus Temple is in Delhi. India Gate is in Delhi. So any 2 examples. You don't need to write all these. Only 2 examples you have to give. Any 2 monuments you can write in your copy. Now next question is monument in Agra. And the monument in Agra, first of all you have studied about the Taj Mahal. It is also known as the sign of love, isn't it? And who made Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan, isn't it? Why? In the memory of his wife. What was the name of his wife? Mumtaz Mahal. Next is Agra Fort. Agra Fort is also in Agra only, and Taj Mahal is also in Agra. Next, see monument built by Shah Jahan. My dear, Shah Jahan was known as a good architect in Indian history, and that also in Mughal Empire. During the Mughal Empire, Shah Jahan is known as good architect. Architect is the person who designs the buildings. Okay, and Shah Jahan has built many buildings, like Red Fort also. Red Fort was also built by Taj Mahal. So these 2 buildings are built by Shah Jahan. Female badminton player. Already you have studied about the female athletes. In that there is name of 2 badminton player, and both have participated in Olympic Games and both have won the medals. One is Saina Nehwal. I think it is in chapter 31. In 2012 she has won the medal for Olympic, and next is PV Sindhu. In 2016 also she got, and this year also in Summer Olympic Tokyo she won the silver medal. So these 2 are the female badminton player. Now we will go to the next. And this is the monument listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. And my dear, what is the UNESCO World Heritage Site? This is a site made by World Group of the UNESCO Group. Okay, and here the main buildings, which is the attraction corner for the tourist. That buildings and that monuments are listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. And some of the buildings of India is Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Red Fort, Qutub. And where is Qutub Minar? It is in Delhi. and it was built by Kutubuddin Aibak. Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, and all of you know very nicely about Taj Mahal. Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. And upper what? Upper white marble. And Agra Fort also, it was also built by Taj Mahal, and both Taj Mahal and both Agra Fort is also in the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and was built by Shah Jahan. Now we will see the next monument in Rajasthan, and we will see the monument in Rajasthan. And my dear, Hawa Mahal is built in Rajasthan. Okay, first of all, Hawa Mahal, and City Palace is also built in Rajasthan. And you know who built Hawa Mahal? And why it is called the Hawa Mahal? Hawa Mahal is a monument in which there are 953 windows, and there are crossing door and windows. Wait, I am writing the name first. And there are crossing doors and windows which allow breeze to blow through the palace and make it a perfect summer palace. Okay. And next is City Palace. And City Palace is also built in Rajasthan, and it was built by Mewar dynasty 400 years ago. It was built by, City Palace was built by Mewar dynasty, and it is built 400 years ago. Thank you, my dear. Hope you all will do this work in very neat and clean handwriting.